Dear Mr. Sims, it's been years since third grade at Blue Ridge Valley, but I still remember your build a light bulb project. My bulb wouldn't light, and instead of fixing it, you told me, keep trying, that's how real electricians learn. That moment stuck with me. Last month, I graduated from Blue Ridge Valley High and started my apprenticeship as an electrician. Every time I wire a circuit, I think about that spark in your classroom, the one that started it all. Thank you for believing in me and for teaching me to keep trying. You helped me find my light. Literally. Jacob Turner, class of 2025.